Hi everybody, Sean Kurdzalak here. We're doing an unboxing today of this print. As you may know, we have prints that we have for sale in our gallery. We also have an online gallery, and every now and then we get special orders, and that's what this one is. This is well, at least as far as I know, unless they sent me something I wasn't expecting. This is a print of the Blue Blood Moon on canvas that I shot back in late January when we had that unique rare event. So I'm gonna unbox this for you guys and let you have a quick look at it. All right, and here it is. This is the rare Blue Blood Moon event that happened on late January this year, and this is the first look at it. And I absolutely love it. Wow. All right, now let's get this signed so we can get this sent out. All right, there we go. It's ready to be shipped back off to the client. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you guys would like to place any special orders, you can either just give us a call, contact us, or check out the links in the description to our online gallery. Thanks for watching.